Let's just give you a quick overview of your car dashboard. The dashboard is designed in such a way that all the modules of your dashboard flow like your business. So at the top here, you will see uh, industry news because we'd like to keep you pumped up. We'll give you positive news about what's happening in your industry, who is raising funds, what are the new innovations, etc. So that's our plan for the top module here. The next module you see is the owners. Now, for any business to start, owners have to introduce the capital, the funds, and a business starts with its owners, the promoters, etc. So here you will see you have the options of adding an owner and seeing all the owners. Next option that you have is the loans. Now, sometimes owner's capital is not sufficient. Our business needs financial assistance from financial institutions, banks, or third parties, etc. So we raise loans, and that loan is recorded in this module. So here you see you have add a loan option and see all the loans options. Once we have raised owner's capital, the loans means we have enough funds to purchase our inventory if we're selling goods. So we can go ahead and buy inventory. So here you can see you can add a purchase, return a purchase, and we have all purchases. Means when you buy goods for your business, sometimes you need to return them back, and then you can see all the purchases that you've done. This purchase module is not only taking care of your inventory, it can also figure out whether the purchases that you've done should that be categorized as your inventory, as in stock, or should that be categorized as your fixed assets, as an item that you're not going to resell but utilize for your own business, like your machinery, your computers. And in case you have purchased some service, for example, office maintenance or office painting, etc. So when you go to the purchase module, you upload your purchase bill here, whatever you purchased. Our AI will automatically categorize that purchase into three different categories. Next, you can see stock. So once you do the purchase of, imagine inventory, the stock piles up. So you can see your entire stock here. You have the option of add a stock that is only for the purpose of sales. So imagine you're selling some services along with the goods, or you're just selling services. So you can add those things over here as well. Then you have production. Now, all the raw material that you purchased and all the services that you purchased, you might create some finished goods. So you might be an organization that is generating some finished goods. So for that, you have your production tab, wherein you can actually map all your raw material, your consumables with your finished products. You will see when we dive into production module. Next, we have fixed assets, like we already showed, the purchase of fixed assets. Then we have, you can here register your fixed assets, see all your fixed asset register. And then we have the services that we were talking about, like the office maintenance, the painting in the office, etc. So this basically is covered in a purchase module, but then we show it separately for you to track these items separately. Then you have your suppliers module. So here, every purchase that you've done is obviously done through suppliers, from suppliers. So you can see all your suppliers. You can add a supplier, update a supplier, and see all the suppliers. Then next we have sales. Now that we have our purchases, we have done all the expenses, we are ready to sell. So you can record your sales here, return a sale here, and see all the sales here. You can generate invoices here. Next, we have customers. So obviously, when you do sales, you have created customers. So you can see all the customers here. You can add your customers here. Next in the line, we have this accrual module. This is for those items which have been incurred, or incomes that have been earned but not received yet. So this is perfect for keeping our accounts in the mercantile basis, and That is why we have this module here. Then you have human resources. So in an organization, obviously you've got your employees. You need to record their attendance. You need to issue offer letters to your employees. You need to sometimes give them special payments, for example, bonuses, commissions, etc. And at the end of every month, you should also create a payroll for your employees. So that's why we have this human resource module. Next, now that you have gotten goods, you have done sales, you have captured your human resource payments and created your payroll. Now is the time to manage your tasks as well. So in your organization, you might have different tasks. You want to allot your tasks to your human resources. You can do that through this module, right? You can see all the tasks here. You can add a task here. Next, we have bank statements. This is the most important module that we have. So your bank statement needs to be uploaded in this module, and then the entries in that bank statement need to be mapped with exact categories that we have provided to you in the bank statement categories. Next in the line, we have compliances. So all your Provident Fund, ESIC, GST, income tax returns, and all other sorts of compliances like ROC compliances, everything, you can track them all over here. Finally, we have CRM module for you. And we understand when you run a business, you have your clients, you have your customers. Those customers, first of all, you have to capture those customers from somewhere. So using the CRM, you can capture the customers. For example, you can use forms in the CRM to give it to your clients, post that on your website so that your clients can fill it up and you get the data, then you call them up, you nurture the lead. So the entire pipeline is in your customer relationship management software. Then ultimately, once you have captured the lead, you have won the lead, or you've lost the lead, you can see everything in your CRM. And ultimately, these clients sometimes might have some queries, so you can raise tickets, you can manage the tickets, you can allot the tickets, and get your customers' problems solved for a perfect customer experience. And that's how you sustain your business, create a huge business. And finally, we have My Karr. My Karr is a dashboard that gives you the entire overview and all the KPIs in relation to your business. How's your business doing? What are the areas of improvement? What is your different strengths? What are your opportunities? What are your weaknesses? And in case there are any threats and lots of other things that'll be covered in this My Karr dashboard. These are the features that we have launched up till this date, but that's not all. We're going to come up with more and more features for you to have a complete grasp of your entire business in just one software called as your Karr.